These are all the Florida hurricanes that were category 3, 4, and 5. And Charlie, Irma, and Michael recently had winds of 130 to 160 sustained. Those all happened since 2005. Only 2 of that strength happened between 1950 and 2000. So you get the sense it's gaining momentum. This is Hurricane Irma, and I think I can start that, right? Oh, no. Look at this. This is a pinhole eye. That was 185-mile-an-hour winds. There have only been 5 hurricanes in history with 185-mile-an-hour winds. So when they get intense, think of a skater who is about to do a turn. And you see they put their arm out like this, and they start spinning, and then they bring them in. And when they bring them in, they start spinning faster. That's the conservation of angular momentum. And that's what these hurricanes do. So they start spinning, and then as they get intense, the eye gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Those eyes, when they go over land, are 10 miles wide, and they're like a 10-mile wide tornado on the ground. They basically wipe everything out. So here's a graph of damage and wind speed. It's not linear, it's exponential. 100-mile-an-hour wind does 10 times the damage of a 75-mile-an-hour wind. A 150-mile-an-hour wind does 256 times the damage. That's not even a Category 5.